Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Dogecoin right here on Bitstamp. The first thing that you need to do is create your account, verify your account, and then turn on the 2FA. Then after that we click here on Pro, and then make sure that you click on deposit money to put money to your balance right there. I don't have any balance standing on this account, but this is just an example how you can buy Dogecoin. So then after this we go to trade. And then we click here on Ethereum US dollars and we search right here for Dogecoin. Then we click here on Doge US dollars and now we have the chart right here for Dogecoin. Then after this we click here on buy and then go to limit order and then we fill in right here the limit price for Doge. So let's do 0 and then 1148. This is a nice limit price. Then after this, we tell them how much Doge we want to buy. So we want to buy 1000 Dogecoin, and that is 114 US dollars. Then after this, we just click here on buy Doge, and then you can buy Dogecoin. And right now, my Dogecoin button is turned off because I don't have any money standing on this account. So once you have money standing on that account, you can click on buy Doge, and then you create your own position on Dogecoin. So this is how you can buy Dogecoin on Bitstamp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.